whoever over here said I love you, Spider-Man, get out. We don't need any of that here. Is everybody here excited?
Yeah!
Very good. Does everyone like stories?
Yeah!
Shout out your favorite ones. Wow, Deadpool, creative. And if I knew any Cat in the Hat, I'd give you that. No, today we're gonna do something that I love, all right? This story is full of action, romance, and is guaranteed to be in strong consideration for an award at the end of the calendar year. That's right. This story is BeautyPool and the WolverBeast. Yeah, I thought you'd like that part. All right, here we go. That's not real. Okay. Once upon a time, you know, it just doesn't feel right when I do it by myself. We should all say those words together. Everybody on 3. 1, 2, 3. Once upon a time. Wasn't that nice? Once upon a time, I was walking along, captivated by my favorite book, Ryan Reynolds' The Autobiography.
Yeah!
When suddenly, I heard the galloping of my father's horse, Philippe. Some of you could do it along with me. Yeah, okay. Well, something is wrong with Philippe, apparently. You see, my father had left for the fair earlier that day. And now here was Philippe, my father, no longer in the saddle. Well, you can take a cue, great. I jumped into Philippe's face and said, "Oh, Philippe, where is Papa? Is he in some kind of trouble?" You see, I asked the horse this like he was some sort of television horse that could understand me and respond in English. Well, he's not. He's just a regular horse, so he whinnied at me. I'm not too brushed up on my horse, so I just mounted Philippe and shouted, "Away to Papa, quickly!" And away we rode. There we go. Okay, some of you can follow along. We went deep, deep into the woods. It was very deep. It was very dark, very scary.
How scary?
Stop asking questions and let me say the story. Come on. No, it was so dark, so scary. It was like going to a Waffle House at 3 a.m. That's what it was like. Suddenly, what appeared was a beautiful, enchanted mansion arising out of the mist. I dismounted Philippe and sent him on his way because I knew what lived here. It was the hideous, the horrible, the Wolverine! Hey everybody, it's him, the WolverBeast, huh?
Yeah. Come on, we got time. We gotta go.
No, Wolverine. Hey, this is a special moment for everybody. Pose, look cool, huh?
All right, you get one.
Yeah, take the pictures. My hero.
All right, come on, get up. Let's go. We gotta go. No time for
Hey,
stories.
no. This isn't for me, Wolvie. This is for the kids. That's right. And for that person right there in particular filming me. Hi. Why'd you put the camera down? You ruined it.
Fine. I'm doing this for you, kid.
Oh,
Even though he's wearing a Spider-Man t-shirt.
I like him. All right, go ahead. Just start right there.
Stop.
Okay.
All right. So, Belle.
BeautyPool.
I'm not saying BeautyPool.
You have to. I scribbled it right there.
I see it. BeautyPool does a little B&E and meets a bunch of weirdos who are furniture and dishes.
And cutlery. It's important. There's a musical number partway through.
Anyway, then the real hero shows up, the Beast.
The WolverBeast. You need to stick with the rules of the parody.
Anyway, Pool Boy over here makes a mess of things as usual, and it's up to Wolverine to save the day. Blah, blah, blah. I slice up some bad guys while Beauty Queen over here, where is he? Beauty Queen over here stands in the corner making a bunch of stupid jokes with outdated cultural references.
My jokes are not outdated. They are hilarious, they are fun, they are modern, and they're not going anywhere, just like Splash Mountain.
Too soon.
Too soon? Oh, yeah, too soon. What? No, you know what? This whole thing's going south anyway. You reading the story, you leave out Mrs. Potts and her wonderful son Chip, and Lumiere, Cogsworth, and even Chef Boosh. That's a really deep cut for all the magic key holders out there. Chef Boosh is the stove. Yeah, you'll see him when you see it. And I mean, even from you, I expected a few bars of tale as old as time.
I said no musical theater.
Oh, that's a pity. If you were a showman, you'd be the greatest.
Why is everybody cheering? I have no idea what that means.
All right, well, I clearly touched a nerve, so I guess we'll wrap these things up. I guess the moral of the story, everybody, is don't open the door to strangers, because they might just be an evil enchantress who will change everyone in your home, including your guests, into something else, just for not letting them come inside.
Hold up.
Boy, I can't believe we read this story to children, huh? Yeah, okay. Well, I'll go ahead and let you say the magic words to finish it up.
What words?
You know, the thing that ends all good Disney stories. And don't any of you say a post-credit scene, all right? Those are only for the Feige universe, the FCU. Did I add a letter?
I'm out of here.
Okay, all right. Was that too much fourth wall for you? Huh? Do you even hear me when I say that? I guess he's actually leaving then. Okay. Hey, you know what? For what it's worth, they all lived happily ever after. Again, that is, of course, until it came out on DVD later, and the residuals were terrible on that. It's like pennies on the dollar for what the... Okay, it's getting louder. I got it. I'll go. Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.